want to learn AWS for free, you want to become an AWS cloud engineer, learn about AI with AWS, you can actually learn it for free. AWS has this website called AWS Skill Builder. It's a Amazon Web Services online learning platform that has over 1,000 free self-paced digital training, hands-on labs, and certification preparation. You can actually design to help you to build foundation. If you're new, you can actually start from here, or you have already some skills you want to learn more, you can also have advanced skills as well. It starts from foundation level to advanced skills in AI, cloud computing, and related technologies. So the website is skillsbuilder.aws. Okay. I'll put the link in the description. So yeah, cloud foundation, you have over 1,000. No need experience required. And then it can actually help you to advance your career as well. You can get certifications. Those AWS certified engineers, they earn quite a good salary. Yeah. And then those who have existing teams or your company that use AWS, maybe with AWS account, you can actually log in to your account and learn and grow together. Okay. Yeah, so this is completely for free. You can learn by roles, practice by roles, cloud practitioner to generative AI architect and all that. And yeah, okay. So let me show you the subscription. You can have the free plan. This is some of the monthly, annual, and team subscription. By the way, I'm not being paid by AWS. I'm just sharing with you on this. Yeah, you can just sign up for the free account. Okay. Now it's actually over 1,000 courses. Then you got digital badges as well, learning, lab, game-based learning as well, course labs, and also exam preparation. Okay. Yeah, so pretty good. Okay, let's look at some examples of the course learned by Cloud Role. Okay, these are some of the roles you can try. Okay, depending on what job you are in, you can just choose whichever you are now. Okay, and let's see this cloud operator. Okay, so these are the courses you can take. Okay, online, completely for free. Okay, let's go in one of them. Okay, you need to log in to access it, by the way. Okay, these are the descriptions. Okay, product domain, all this. You can choose a specialized area like blockchain, compute, data analytics, serverless, storage, okay, end user computing, IoT, Internet of Things, SaaS, SaaS, okay, AI, artificial intelligence. So you can choose even for AWS for games as well, contact center. It caters to almost everything based on product domain you want to learn. Okay, you want to learn accordingly, right? So example this. Okay. And you can also look at preparing for your certification as well. Foundation level AI practitioner. Okay, AI Practitioner. So some is free, some is subscription, things like that. So you can take the free one for this. Okay. So you can actually validate your skills, also learning style, game-based or group-based immersion, things like that. So basically that's it. I just want to let you guys know there's this free AWS practitioner learning, cloud computing, AI learning from AWS completely for free. Okay, if you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, thanks for watching. Goodbye.